I need someone who's like honest. No, I can't say that. हाँ?
के बारे में कुछ गलत नहीं
तो मैंने क्या बोला है? आपकी काफी बातें भी मुझे गरिष्ठ लगी. You can do my Swayamvar if you want. What?
Yeah. We welcome the beautiful.
My God, your intro has really given me like a... So you said it was very difficult to devise with me. Why?
Research book. Get to the bottom.
Something wrong? Meaning, there must be... Listen, I've really worked hard in maintaining a filter. Conversation.
Conversation.
Okay, taking the pillow on me now.
Oh, nice.
Relaxed. I think every actor really wants and craves for that validation in general to believe what had happened. I don't think I've ever had like tears in my eyes, the pride in their eyes, you know, all of that.
Someone who was around at that point.
She was literally like, I could visualize her being in a wash chair like that. Mom, I just got a call from the ministry and they told me that I won the National Award for Best Actress. पक्का मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं कोई प्रैंक कर रहा है प्रैंक तो नहीं था I was like mom ministry से कॉल आया है प्रैंक नहीं था so yeah she takes a while to really digest that it's actually happened and she's like are you sure constantly
pretty sure
my heart would break
yes that your heart would break
but my mum by the way is the most no-filtered person I know
you should have we called another we're going to get to that later we're an engineering graduate. Now tell me,
honestly, when I started modeling, firstly, my dad was against modeling. He was like, you know, it's going to distract her. Kya fayda hai? She's such a studious kid. I was very, very nerdy. Wanting to model, you know, they make your parents sign a contract because you're still like really young. He would be the first one to call like people in the room that, oh, her ad's coming. Acted before that. I used to always be in the dance troupe. So acting, dramatics tha nahi kabhi. And then when I realized it and I started dreaming of becoming an actor and then I was like, you know, I want to try for films. And their point was you have to complete your BTech and get a degree. We're not letting you. In that also, I think my mom was very concerned because I was actually a very shy kid, extremely shy. My first Ram show, I messed up the choreography. Someone scolded me in front of 50 models. I came back crying and I sat in the auto and I came back crying and I was like, Mom, I don't think I can do this. And her point was that, you know, people in this industry are very thick-skinned, like really thick-skinned. And she used to give me example of like, Priyanka Chopra, you are pretty shy, you know, as a person and maybe you can't handle this, maybe it's not for you. I've taught myself confidence. I had stage fright. But when I said that I really want to do this, but then eventually they were like, okay, you know, I don't want you to regret later that you could have. So go for it. But I had that thing of, like in GMAT mein acha score leke aana hai. So that was always there. But I think when I did a particular film and I'm too ethical as a person and I think, you know, I'd said yes to it and then while we were going to start shooting it, I was not feeling it in my gut and I was just feeling that and I still was like, no, you know, I've said yes to it and I can't back out. And I did it anyways and I gave it everything while I was on set. And at that moment, I somewhere felt like I didn't value myself. You know, because I chose to do something that was not valuing me as an actor. I think something switched in me. And I was like, I'm never going to do this again. Yeah, but I also feel like, you know, we all, we're actors and at times like in front of media, in front of camera, we're all like so strong and nothing is affecting us and hee ha ha is going on. When what you're feeling internally is so different.
Hindi medium, we're just going to, all you need to do is tell us the meaning. And sabse pehla shabd.
Adhikar is right. Mera tum pe koi adhikar nahi. Huh? I remotely also don't know what it could mean. The pilot? The air hostess?
Yes.
Oh, I should know this. मैं अपनी एक फिल्म में व्योमबाला का किरदार प्ले कर रही हूँ गरिष्ठ दिस आई शुड नो बट आई डोंट नो करेला मुझे गरिष्ठ लगता है
करेक्ट
आपकी काफी बातें भी मुझे गरिष्ठ लगी महत्व मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंट
या वेरी क्लोज
शी इज नॉट गिविंग मी गुड एग्जांपल्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग महत्वाकांक्षी इज एम्बिशियस ओह जिल्लत इज इंसल्ट ये जिल्लत मुझे बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं होगी क्या हाँ
Tabakkur.
Tabakkur doesn't sound like Hindi. Is it? Urdu or Hindi? Is it? Yeah. Are you serious? Are you serious? This is not a word, so you're just throwing it at you. Oh, I'm so glad I got it.
Like an audition that went south.
Probably.
And what did they ask you to do?
Was for Student of the Year 1.
Yeah.
I mean, I recently told him and then he threatened me that he's going to... And I was like, please don't take the clip out now. To bilkul bhi nahi.
Yeah. Okay.
And I remember they made us do some scene from Wake Up Sid, Bahara. I was terrible at it. And I don't think I even knew what I was doing.
You at some point have said...
Somebody had just said that to me, that flaws, some quirkiness, something something unique to you. You're very generic beautiful. So I did. Was it a comment? Was it a good thing? Was it a bad thing? And I think you should get like your nose fixed. I think you should, like, I was hearing a lot of things. So the other side, there were people telling me, get your teeth fixed and get this fixed. So I think it's a lot of noise. I think you just gotta, like, they'll make you work harder and for longer hours as an actor. Because it's your production.
Yeah,
so they're like, no, lekin ye khatam karna pade. There were times I've worked for like 16 hours, 17 hours. So a lot of people who had, like, when I told them this, they were like, see, now you've become a producer, you're seeing what budget is and what the day's cost is and all. I've always been very understanding. I don't think I've ever not been a producer's actor.
It doesn't mean that
it does exist in every field.
Yeah.
See, it exists in every field. I think everyone has their own struggles. You know, like, what is he going to do? Oh my God, he has to live up to the expectations of his dad and blah, blah, blah. And I remember him being like extremely stressed also, you know. I don't know how to make people know my name. There were times when I would be at the airport and someone would just say, "Arey, wo Tiger Shroff ki film mein aayi thi." Struggles for me, I feel like when you don't come from a film background, it takes way longer for people to register who you are. Everything is so uncertain. You don't have someone backing you. You don't have, like, that's why I needed GMAT to back me.
To back you.
You know, I'm not grown up in front of people that they know me. It's not like you are going to make calls, because I don't do that normally. And she's like, but your name is attached, so I do have to struggle to make my own identity. Knows and she feels and she realizes that both of us are very different as people.
No,
that was a plier though.
We have this simple routine where we ask...
Real? I don't know. Good-hearted, I think. Mummy type? I don't know.
Mummy type.
Seedha.
Okay.
Na Hindi, what she's using.
No, this is fine.
Oh, yes. That I am.
For someone who's...
Listen, I've told everybody around me. Yeah. I'm telling you also.
All right, fine.
You can do my Swayamvar if you want. And I can't do dating apps.
Dating apps, but...
I'm a bit old school that way. I believe in, like, you know, effort and gestures and romance. And I think romance is dying. Loyal, who's extremely loving. Just one. Yeah. Okay. That's the problem, I think.
Okay.
This is also
so let's just get...
I might just need a robot, I feel.
Yeah, guys,
I think I will have to, like, design a robot. But am I asking for too much? These are, like, basics.
No, you're not asking.
Mine is the tall, maybe.
If your partner or the person who you're falling for is even a 6 on 10, out of the 10 things you want...
I think being a good person, I think, is priority.
Now we're starting
so that's not negotiable, I feel. Like, you know how you...
That's fine.
So, मैंने क्या बोला है?
But you
सब बोला है, please.
But now moving on, the show is not about me. No.
Yeah. Getting late on set, no. But getting late to my vanity and then I hurry my team up, no. So I'm not good with first cuts. So मैं usually बोलती हूँ मुझे मत दिखाओ.
पर पता चल जाता है the first time.
No. I'm never starstruck. Sometimes had to.
Yeah.
No, I never cried.
All right.
Always. Not yet, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Ask around, yeah.
No, okay, fine.
I think for me, in films, in any film, for example, I need something to challenge me, to scare me a little bit and feel like, oh shit, I don't know how I'm going to do this, to be excited about it. And I am not someone who's very athletic in life. I was like, okay, you know, let's do it. It'll be cool. It'll be fun. It depends on the film, and it also depends whether when I'm approaching the Friday, do I expect that to happen or not? That is way more important, because I feel like you can only do your best in what you're doing. Baki film kaisa karegi, how's the VFX, it's not in your control.
Yeah.
So you can't sulk on it for too long. Of course, every film matters and you want every film to do well, you know, and you want on the Friday magic to happen, whether or not you're expecting something and people to go and watch the film. And then, like, I think the weekend goes a little bit like my mom comes in and she's like, kuch khayegi, you know, so that happens.
And then you have a moment.
Yeah, but then eventually you move on. When you're working, both success and failure are very temporary, and you need to just keep working. No, I didn't know it was that film. I just knew that I wanted to do it, and I just knew that it was challenging me in ways that I had not been challenged before. And I knew I was ready. That heavy and that whole film being on my shoulders, and while I gained 7 kilos, he's like, "Aap bahut lambe ho, aapko 15 karna padega." So I knew it's going to be challenging to be that. Until I was done with like some 60% of the film. I was just feeling it in my bones when I was doing it. Like when we were towards the end, I remember talking to Pankaj sir, and I was like, "Kya lag raha hai aapko?" And he gave me a box office number, which, I mean, it never released in theaters. But I think everybody was feeling it. Everybody was like really passionate.
I'm like, my first Insta DM friend was Kriti Sanon. Like, I'm just happy to be saying this to people. And
I was just feeling like you've just watched it and just like, felt a lot and said it to me.
now, this...
इससे अच्छा वाली बात नहीं होती है, but when you see someone also perform really well, or when you see a great character, and you're like, oh my God, I wish I get an opportunity like this. I mean, so many of them, yeah. When I saw Gangubai, I felt like, what a character, and for the first time, probably after so long, a girl, like, for the lack of a word, a hero. Like everything that she was doing, fierce, and it was like shot in a way where you're like really, really presenting someone.
Yeah.
So it was shot really well. Of course, Mr. Bhansali does that with all his characters.
Some of the best actresses.
I love that he said it in one go. What?
Yeah.
I think he's probably the only actor who I was nervous to dance with. Been a dancer before he's been an actor, and he's just like really...
years ago, yeah.
Dude, he's just so good and he learns it so fast and his energy, his steps are kadak ekdam, and you suddenly feel like you're dancing with him. But he's really, really good. So I remember being very nervous. I was like, oh my God, he dances really well. But I had not seen him dance for a while, so even I wanted to see Shahid. Yeah.
You're in this...
Yeah, I mean, I feel like that's one part of me I don't want to let go. I feel like my values, everything, the rootedness is what I really love. I have, fortunately, by God's grace, earned a lot more that I can give my family a certain comfort. Niche bedkar, normally khana and all. I think that's me. I don't want to let go of like my roots. And I think my favorite outfit is a sari. She's irritated and almost annoyed of me wearing saris. And she's like, can we like do something else Indian? And I'm like, but a sari is a sari.
Yeah. And it's super simple. बहुत आदत है awards लेने की.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tiger Shroff.
Okay.
Shah Rukh sir.
It's supposed to be a tough game.
We just started. I think Tiger again. You. Best two left feet. Feet?
Yeah.
I think Aditya Roy Kapoor. I think Shahid. I really like what he posts. And he posted some like reels and some transition stuff and it's pretty cool.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Shared with
As
who?
in...
I can't. I have a name in my mind.
It'll probably be something very easy.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I know. I took out only one cheat. I'm very proud of myself. Thanks for making it easy for me.
But even if you don't. Yeah.